Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the four most popular browsers in the OnePlus Nord CE through Lite. So the first one, Opera. In this browser, just click here on the tab icon and switch to the private tab. Click the plus and that's it. The next one, Firefox. If you see this welcoming screen, just click here on this little icon. If you have any site or tab open, click here and switch to the click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge. In this web browser, like in the Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Sorry, I have to pass the setup. Okay, in the Google Chrome, just click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon and switch to the new Incognito tab. And now in this mode, your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even learned the words from the keyboard will be not saved. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.